Siéntate, siéntate. Sí, siéntate.
AT&T is wireless. Welcome to America's wireless leader, the new AT&T. Your world delivered.
Each fall, the legends come to play, searching for the ultimate HD experience.
Urlo despacio.
It's okay, guys. Circuit City makes HD simple.
No, eso no es tuyo. Eso te la nena.
You just need a high-def TV, an HD source, and installation from FireDog.
Right now, save an incredible
Vete allá, atrás.
$250 or more on top brands.
Oye,
Save
allá atrás.
more with Fire
Allá.
installation. And save
Allá, ahora mismo.
$300 with DirecTV.
Vamos allá. No, allá. Allí. Siéntate.
Cruise lines that tell you when to play and when to eat. Then there's freestyle cruising. Only
Despacio.
from Norwegian Cruise Line.
Despacio.
Whatever.
Muy bien.
Tell me what you don't like about yourself.
Nip Tuck Season 4, new on DVD Tuesday.
What am I supposed to do?
Despacio, ¿eh?
Loaded with amazing bonus features. Nip Tuck, the complete fourth season, available Tuesday on DVD and high def.
Nasal allergy symptoms like congestion can occur at any time,
Despacio.
and it's hard to avoid the things that cause them. Prescription Nasonex helps relieve nasal allergy symptoms like congestion.
Me gusta mucho.
Maybe that's why 6 million nasal allergy sufferers used Nasonex last year.
Side effects were generally mild and included headache, viral infection, sore throat, nosebleeds, and coughing.
For more information, talk to your doctor and ask if Nasonex is the one for you.
Qué delicado.
It's time to feel free with Chase Freedom. Feel free to choose points for rewards like travel.
No te toca nada de eso,
Choose cash back.
que no te toca eso.
Then feel free to change back without losing a thing. That's freedom. That's Chase Freedom. Get free at chase.com/freedom.